With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
The question is, growth in living being is mainly by, and the options are accretion, aggregation, interception, or accumulation. We'll see all these options one by one, starting with accretion. So accretion is the growth or increase by the gradual accumulation of additional layers or matter. So it is growth by gradual, that is slow accumulation of additional layers or matter. So this option is wrong, as living beings growth does not take place by this method. Coming to the second option, we have aggregation. So aggregation is the formation of a number of things into a cluster. It is the formation of a number of things into a cluster. Coming to the third option, we have interception. So interception is the increase in surface area. It refers to increase in surface area of the cell wall and this increase in surface area is due to the deposition of cellulose. So it is due to the deposition of cellulose. Coming to the fourth option, we have accumulation. So accumulation is a mass or quantity of something that has gradually gathered or been acquired. So it is a mass of something that has gradually or slowly over time gathered. Now talking about growth that occurs in living beings. So growth in living beings is by the process of interception. It is by the process of interception. That is, in them the surface area of a cell wall slowly increases, and this increase is due to the deposition of cellulose on the cell wall. Hence, we have the final answer as growth in living beings is mainly by interception.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.